Hi, my name is Harshadan Chaturvedi and I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we are going to talk about Transfer of Property Act 1882. General Clause Act Section 3 Subsection 26 defines immovable property including land, benefits arising out of land are things attached to earth, rooted in the earth, embedded in the. We also need to check the degree of embeddedness. Embedded so deep it cannot be removed, or embedded or on removing it can cause destruction. Permanently fastened to anything for permanent beneficial enjoyment, or the working depends on the embeddedness attached to earth defined under TPA. Immovable property is also defined under Indian Registration Act Section 26, Section 17 optional registered, Section 18 compulsory registered. Any property above 100 needs to be registered. Lease for more than 1 year has to be registered. Immovable property, movable property, tangible property. Example of tangible property are extraction of coal. Immovable property includes land, building, hereditary allowances, right to waste, right to get sunlight, right to air, right to ferries, right to fisheries, or any other benefits to arise out of land. Things attached to the earth but not standing timber, growing crops, not grass. Reason to know if it is movable or immovable property is because if it is immovable, then it must be written and registered. Immovable, you don't need the same. Transfer of title. Land surface of earth below the surface minerals. Earth occurred by water, well, tube-well, river, canal, lakes and steam. The movable part attached to the immovable becomes immovable. Benefits arising out of land. Profit and pender, that is any profit that one makes using his land. A benefit arising out of land is an interest in land and immovable. Rent of house, shops. Revenue from agriculture, right to collect lac leaves, right to collect tax from ghats and bridges, because bridges and ghats are immovable. Right to ferries and fisheries, right to extract coal, gold or minerals, etc. from the mines. If I get permission to pluck mangoes from the trees in an orchard from one time, movable property contract. If I get permission to pluck mangoes for 20 years, immovable property contract. Things attached to the earth defined as in section 3 of the TPA, that is Transfer Property Act. Rooted in the earth as in case of trees and shrubs. Embedded in the earth as in case of walls of buildings. Attached to what is so embedded for permanent beneficial enjoyment of that to which it is attached. Doctrines of fixtures. English law becomes a fixture immovable. A movable property becomes a fixture of immovable property is the English law. Quickwit, plantero, solo credit. Whatever is planted in the earth becomes a part of the earth, and consecutively, whosoever owns that piece of earth will also own the thing planted. Quickwit and a defector, solo credit. Whatsoever is built into or embedded in earth or attached to soil becomes the part of earth, and consecutively whosoever is the owner of the piece of land will also become the owner of the things attached, built in or embedded. Exceptions of above doctrines in India law. If there is a contract to contrary relates to trade, fixtures, tenants on the land of other. Example, bank builds false wall in your rented house as per trade requirement. Tenant can take the fixture back. Trade fixture means added due to trade requirement. Indian law entitled to remove the attachments if he vacates the premises, provided he leaves the land in the same state as it was previous to the attachment. If he allows the attachment or improvement to remain the owner of the land. things embedded in the earth. Blackburn J in Holland versus Hodgson. It is a question that depends on the circumstances of a case. Thank you.